MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. Do make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers, and do not forget to check Forex Factory for news related to that particular pairs you want to trade. Yet I have come up with another forex trading strategy. I have combined few indicators together to come up with this. Kindly make sure you follow me closely as I explain to you how to use this particular strategy on regulated forex brokers. Do make sure you trade with regulated forex brokers. Open an account with them and practice every strategy on demo account you've opened with regulated forex brokers before you go live. On my chart, I combined few indicators together, and it is simple, and anyone can use this on MetaTrader 4. Here I have these three indicators, these three lines. I have another indicator here, this blue box and arrow. Then I have this trader indicator here that do change from green to red. It depends on the color you used. So number one thing you have to look out for, the candles must close above these three lines before you consider either you want to take a buy on any pairs you are trading, either on gold, on Nasdaq, on forex pairs. Just make sure it crossed above before you check, or below before you check other indicators. If number one condition is met, that we have this candle closing above the three lines, then you can look out for other indicators. We have this arrow here confirming this buy signal, followed by this box for a buy. And when you look at the indicator window, we have this indicator changing from red to green for a buy, and this is the right point for you to place your trade on these regulated forex brokers, and your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low. Before you take your trade, your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low, and you ride the trend. Let's look out for a sell signal again. At this particular point, we have this candle did turn to red here for a sell, and this did turn to red for a sell. But when you check the other indicator, not only that it did cross, it crossed below these three lines for a sell. But when you look out for the other indicators, this arrow, we do not have it here until later. At this particular point, we have it here at this particular point for a sell, followed by this yellow orange box, and this is the right point for you to enter your trade. And this indicator did confirm this signal for a sell, and this is on Nasdaq 15-minute time frame. You can use it on any time frame you want. Let's check it out on other pairs, either on gold, and here is it on gold on 15-minute time frame. We have a buy signal here. The first one was generated here, did cross above. We have it here. We have the arrow present, and the histogram did change to green for a buy, and this is the first point that you need to place your trade for a buy, and your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low before the signal was generated. You can remain in this trade since the candle remained green for a buy, and your stop loss has not been taken out, so you will not consider this sell signal here. The arrow was generated, the candle did close, but it did not turn to red for a sell. Make sure all the indicators are in agreement before you place your trade. And for sell signal, we have it here all in agreement for a sell. And when you check it on higher time frame, either on 30 minutes, it's still the same methodology. And here we have a good ride on the 30-minute time frame. On 30-minute time frame, we have our buy signal that was generated here, and it did deliver well. And if you want to use it on 1 hour, you can do the same thing. So this is how to use this particular indicator on any time frame. And let us check it out on Great Britain pounds Japanese yen. Here is it on 1 hour. It's still the same methodology. Just make sure you have everything in agreement before you place your trade. Let's check it on New Zealand Japanese yen also. It's still the same methodology. And here is it. We have the buy signal. Here are the sell signal here, and it did deliver. Now let me show you all the indicators I use for this particular strategy and the settings. Do make sure you trade on regulated forex broker. And if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. And do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning trading forex strategy. Just click the like button right now. The download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description, and I did include links to some of the regulated forex brokers, so you can check it out and register with any of the forex brokers. Now let's move on to the settings. So I have the first indicator here, the CDOS crossover signal indicators, and these are the colors that I use and width. And the second indicator is fractal channel indicator that did give us this candle. I only use the candle from this particular indicator. The first line we have here, the blue color, is this trend line trend eye indicator, and the color is blue. And this is the values or the input. And I have a trend low indicator with the red color here, the down red line, and this is the value also. Then I have the trend median, the median yellow color here. So it gave us that trail and the symbol changer that I use in changing from pairs to pairs. And the last indicator is JSSO indicator. These are the inputs, and these are the colors for the last indicator we have here on the indicator window. So this is all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. As I said, make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. This strategy is a winning forex trading strategy. Just make sure you follow money management and trade on regulated forex brokers. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader Joe, and bye for now.